This is a video I've been wanting to do for a little while. Here in the Chaco we have many different species of bees, some that sting, some that are stingless, some that are wasps, and they all make honey. They all make different kinds of honey. There's probably 5 or 6 different kinds of honey out here that I can think of off the top of my head. And a lot of it is, we get a lot of wild honey out here, a lot of good sources for wild honey. And one thing we've been wanting to do for a while is catch a swarm of honeybees. And today looks like it's our lucky chance. We got a swarm of bees right here by the house, so we're going to try to see if we can get them in our box. I know you'll be able to do it. You've been doing a lot. Try, but I have to put this box down on the ground. You're going in.
Yoo-hoo!
Whacking a pile of bees is one of the scarier things I've ever done, but it looks like it's working. It looks like they're going in the box. Here's hoping. There's definitely a lot going on. It's probably obvious to everyone watching. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just know I want bees. Okay, looks good to me. I think we'll come back maybe later today or tomorrow and see if they're still going in and out. Hopefully they'll stay, and hopefully this will be our first beehive.